Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This Harris 250 Solstice is powered with a Mercury 200 4-stroke engine. Has the ski tow bar back here. Also has your stainless railing, so it allows you to sit back here on this extra wide lounge seat. Has a door block off. Large 12-foot bimini top. Nice detail in the upholstery. Armrests with cup holders. Has the digital linkage for shifting. Push button start. Simrad GPS Chartplotter. Ski locker. That's the JL audio system with subwoofer. Ample seating up in the bow with plenty of cup holders. This does have the lighting package on it, so you're going to have lights all throughout the boat. And this is the 2020 Harris 250 Solstice at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Harris Solstice or any of the other Harrises that we have in stock.